Hello, and I'm back again. Today is Tuesday, January the 13th, and this package just arrived this evening. And so I don't have the best lighting because there is no sunlight outside. It's evening. Without further ado, let's open this one. It is very special to me because of the rendering of this canvas. And let's just open it and see what we have today. I hope everyone's still doing okay. If I didn't mention it in my previous, I surely meant to. I hope I did because I really do hope everyone's doing well. Okay, we have 2 kits in here. And I'm going to start with, not that one, but this one. Sunset Beauty. I put it down. By John Stewart. It was just released. It is 31.9 by 25.6 inches or 80.9 centimeters by 65 centimeters. It is 69 colors, including 2 AB, 3 fairy dusts, for a total of 84,825 square drills. I hope you can see that okay. Yes, I love the colors in that one. And the sunset. And this one was a major release in my eyes. I felt like it was a big, hot ticket item. It is Fairy Storyteller by Genovia Art, 25.6 by 38.6 inches or 65 by 97.8 centimeters. It has, sorry for the light reflection, 87 colors, including 3 AB, 1 iridescent, 1 special diamond, 5 fairy dust diamonds, for a total of 102,573 square drills. You all, the artwork alongside the rendering of what I saw on the website before the release was absolutely amazing. I've never seen anything like it. It looked just like the artwork. So let's see how true it is when we unbox these canvases and look at them closer. I'm going to get them out of the box and I'll be right back. Okay, here we are. We have the canvas, the stickers, the Treasure Quest card. There is the image, Sunset Beauty by John Stewart, and it is a bronze. Here's a picture for your logbook. You can record your start and end date. It tells you the measurements and how many colors, whether it's square or round, and this is the palette. Well, the stickers. This is the palette. Beautiful colors. Look at this. I'm not huge on lighthouses, but this one I was shopping for color when I picked this out and grabbed it off the website. Yeah, it's a lovely sunset. And I'm sure it's going to look beautiful when the drills are laid on it. The lovely shoreline, the flowers, the tree. I'm not sure what kind of tree that is, but I like the pink blossoms on it. Smoke coming out of the chimney, the lovely sunset. Very nice. Let's move on to the next one. Wow. All I can say is wow. Look at her. Treasure Quest card. Oh my goodness. Fairy Storyteller. It's a bronze. And the image. Absolutely gorgeous. This is the color palette. 87 colors again. And I took a quick scan of it before I started the camera again. You all, this has a lot of special drills on it. You can see the iridescent here. I have never wanted so much to open the drills on an unboxing. These look like quad cubes that are iridescent. I do know, because I checked it, all these little white, did I give you a chance to look at those drills? Oh my goodness, I'm gonna go out here right now and put this baby up. You'll be seeing me work on it soon. I can't wait. I'm not really doing a whip detox, even though I'm in the whip detox group right now. But I'm just trying to get my whips, some of my other whips worked on. But look at this, you all. She's so big. It's too big for my table. Now, I had World Priestess at one point, but I'm so glad I sold her and held out for this one. Look at all of the colors in her dress. She's just so elegant looking with her fairy wings that are going to be jeweled up to the max. We have 5 fairy dust. One, it looks like a quad cube, and the iridescent, like I was saying, all these, this here on her shoulder, coming down her arm, those white speckles, they are all iridescent drills. And not to mention, I haven't even had a chance to really look at all of this because I just unboxed it with you. And 3 ABs plus 1 6,000 color from Diamondart Club. You all, this is a beauty. I'm gonna kit her up right away. I hope you were able to grab her. I think she sold out in like 3. I don't know if it was her that sold out, if it was this one that sold out in 3 minutes, or the latest, the one that was released this past Saturday, Margaret Morales, that sold out in 3 minutes. And I was lucky enough to snatch that one too. I won't go over 17 this month though, because I have to beat my number from last year. Last year, this time, I purchased 17 Diamondart Club kits. I will not allow myself to go over 17, but I'm so glad I got this one. I hope you all enjoyed this unboxing video. Thank you for your patience with me and how I do this, and sticking around with me and going on this journey with me of all these beautiful pieces of art. Y'all have a good one.